Multilogin is an all-in-one anti-detect solution for managing multiple accounts. In this demo, we'll show you how to create US-based profiles with built-in proxies, pre-warmed cookies, and reusable proxy templates. Start by opening your dashboard. Click Create to begin setting up a new browser profile. Give your profile a clear name. To build a trusted session quickly, select pre-made cookies. In this demo, we'll use Amazon cookies to create an authentic Amazon profile. Choose a location that matches your proxy's geographic needs. Pick the United States so your profile appears US-based. You can also refine your targeting by selecting a specific city. Click Check Proxy to instantly verify your connection is working. Once the check is complete, you can confidently continue with profile creation. Organize your profiles by adding tags and use notes for important details. Adjust advanced options like fingerprinting, time zone, and WebRTC if needed. Your profile is now ready to launch. Need multiple profiles? Type AI in the search bar to enable AI quick actions. Then simply prompt how many new profiles you need and specify the proxy. Your profiles will be created in seconds. Another way to scale your profile creation is by cloning profiles. Click Clone to get started. In this window, just specify how many copies you want. You now have multiple ready-to-use profiles. For efficiency, create a reusable proxy template for your workflow. Click Create and add a new template with your preferred proxy settings. On this screen, you will see the same proxy settings that you used in profile creation. Check your proxies, then click Create. Next time, you'll see your saved template in the list. Let's go back to your profiles. Select your new profile and click Start. When the window opens, you can verify your IP address and location. Then, go to your target platform's website to log in or create new accounts, all while staying undetected. Thanks for watching. Learn more on our website and YouTube channel. Sign up today to start managing your accounts with Multilogin.